Can we see? Hello, Anya. Hello, Anya. How are you?
Fine.
Good. Have you had a good day?
Yes.
Did you enjoy gym class?
Yes.
Good. What have you brought in for show and tell today?
A zoo.
A zoo. Why did you bring a zoo?
Because it starts with the letter Z.
Fantastic. The letter Z. Good. There's so much to talk about. What can you tell me about your zoo? Who lives in the zoo?
They live the animals.
The animals. Which animals live in the zoo?
Monkey.
Let's see. Where's the monkey?
Here.
Good. Who
The
else?
monkey, the giraffe.
Yeah.
The wolf.
Good.
The deer.
Very nice.
And the squirrel.
Squirrel. Very nice. Who's your favorite animal in the zoo?
This one.
Really? Which one's that?
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Fantastic. Where did this come from? Where did your zoo come from, Anya?
My mommy and me made it.
Really? Your
Yeah.
mummy and you made it? Wow, that's so good. Excellent. When did you make it?
In the night.
In the night? When? Last night?
Yeah.
Is this new?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Well, you and your mummy have done a very, very good job. I think it looks amazing. Well done, Anya. What else can you tell me about your zoo?
There are trees and birds on it.
Yeah,
And there are stickers on it too.
very nice.
And there are trees around outside.
Very nice.
And there's a zookeeper.
The zookeeper. Excellent.
And people coming.
Yeah,
It's broken.
it's okay. We can fix that, can't we? Yeah?
And there are more people coming.
Nice.
This is-
To see the animals?
Yeah.
Are they going to feed the animals?
Yeah, and there are cars coming too.
Excellent.
This is her best friend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Her favorite animal is the giraffe.
The giraffe. Excellent.
And her is a deer. But she's looking at the squirrel.
Good. Is there anything else you want to tell me?
Yes.
Yeah? Good.
There are leaves.
Uh-huh. I know, I like these leaves. They're very nice.
And flowers.
Yeah. Good. Excellent. Well, you've done a fantastic job, Anya. Lots of talking. Really good. Thank you very much, okay?
I want to go drink water again.
Okay, you can go and drink water.